Looking to elevate your table tennis experience with a net that matches your skills? The JOOLA Professional Table Tennis Net and Post Set delivers exactly that: durability, precision, and ease of use all in one package. Trusted for over 60 years and used in Olympic tournaments, JOOLA equipment stands out for players who demand quality and performance. What sets this net apart? It's built with a premium cotton blend reinforced net and sturdy steel posts designed to last through countless matches. The heavy-duty clamps secure the net firmly to tables up to 1.5 inches thick, ensuring it stays perfectly centered and straight during play. Plus, the net meets ITTF regulation length and height at 72 inches, so you're playing with professional standards every time. Setting up the JOOLA net is surprisingly simple. The spring clamp attachment system lets you fasten the net quickly without tools, and when you're done, just squeeze the clamps to remove it. The adjustable tension and height features let you customize the net to your table and playing style, giving you that perfect tightness for every rally. While tensioning the net can be a bit tricky alone, it's a smooth process with a partner, making it ideal for doubles or practice sessions. Many players have swapped out their old, bulky nets for this sleek, insert-style system. Unlike screw-down clamps that stick out and get in the way, JOOLA's design keeps the net flush with the table edge, improving both aesthetics and functionality. The clamps are wide enough to cover the typical gap on folding tables, so you don't have to worry about misalignment or wobbling mid-game. If you're serious about your game, this net set is worth a look. It combines professional-grade quality with user-friendly features, so you get a reliable setup that feels just right every time you play. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a competitive player, JOOLA's legacy of excellence shines through in every detail. If that's you, someone who wants a sturdy, adjustable, and easy-to-install ping-pong net, give JOOLA a try when you're ready. It's more than just equipment, it's a step toward playing like a champion.